Welcome to Arbitrage Family. Today we're going to take you along for the ride as we do our clearance shopping, as well as do an unboxing at the end.
Make sure to be checking your shoe section. There's a bunch of clearance. So we're here at another Walmart, right? Mm-hmm. Yep, and we're looking around the toy stuff here. And toys at this Walmart, as well as the other ones that we've already visited, a ton of it is on clearance. So actually this Walmart not only has a bunch in their aisle, but they got a bunch just kind of laid out as well. So worth checking out. Looks like they got a lot of stuff at this Walmart's clearance section too. If you're in the market for a GoPro, they got the white on clearance for $99. And it looks like they got the 8 black for only $300, so $50 off. So that's a pretty good deal too. So one thing that I've learned is that sometimes Walmarts do not switch their prices over from clearance from last year to this year. And so this Walmart has this Fruit by the Foot mini for $1. I've seen these shelves marked in other stores for over $50 on clearance, and so this store has a ton of them for 38 bucks. So be looking out if you need these shelves. So this is the Lego aisle at this Walmart, and look how it's been decimated. But if you look real closely, a lot of them are on clearance, and so you can scan some of them and check to see if they're on clearance or not. Like, let's look at this one. Not really marked, $10 with a normal price of $20. So, you know, just a random set sitting here.
We found these LOL dolls that apparently are for sleepovers.
When we were clearance shopping, I was looking for a bunch of little things because last year when we did our Thanksmas, I did a saran wrap ball for the kids and they had a blast with it. So I found these little cupcake looking bath bombs and I thought the kids would get a kick out of these in their saran wrap ball.
We found these Hero Academia figures that I really like.
So around Christmas time, we like to donate toys and we found these 2 baby dolls that we thought were pretty cute. And we thought they were a good enough deal they could be donated next year.
We found these figures on sale for about $1.
A lot of the tools are on clearance right now, so make sure you're checking out the hardware section because the wife picked these up. She thought I might need them, and they're a pretty decent deal.
We found these hand sanitizers.
So another little item I found on clearance for my saran wrap ball are these little 2-in-1 body washes and bubble baths, and then a body spray.
We found these troll things that we thought my mom might like for her saran wrap ball.
So after Christmas, I found the 7-day Christmas countdown box, and Kira was wanting one. So when I found it on sale, I figured we could have it for next year.
We found this sleep mask and I really like cats.
One of the Walmarts that we visited had a lot of Glade on clearance. They were only $1. Not sure what I'm gonna do with them, but they were a dog.
Found this cute little outfit.
So I found this cute little thing of bath salts on sale and got a cute scoop with it.
We found this awesome Blessums, which is basically a mystery. We found this nail polish that I thought my mom might want for her saran wrap ball.
A lot of the times we make Kiera play Santa and hand out all the gifts, but I never made her wear a hat because we didn't have one. Now she gets to next year.
So I also found a couple kid-sized face masks and some hand cream that I can use in my saran wrap ball.
We found this My Life set.
We found a kid's power toothbrush on sale, and what kid doesn't need a new toothbrush for Christmas?
We found this LED mirror to donate.
So I found some plastic straws that I can use next year in my saran wrap ball that I thought the kids would like. And I picked up this little box of chocolates, because who doesn't need a treat when they're out shopping?
I found this little mystery thing, and I found this set.
I found some cute ponytails with little ribbons attached to it, and I thought that the kids might like them.
We found a lot of socks.
Just the other day, the kids' cord broke again in the car, and so Leslie asked, don't they make something that goes over them? 25 cents on clearance. Perfect, right?
We found this hand sanitizer, plus we found some lotion. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you on the next video.